went to my boyfriend's a few days ago for a light switch on in his little village, and it was really good fun. I'm gonna post all the videos that I got now.
Fading joy and surprise, and the gifts we despise are the mold one with you. On the 25th day of the 12th month, the sleigh bells are on time, ringing true. How we cling each the world to that snowflake's hope in hell, that it will end. Don't let the bells end. Christmas come, just let them ring in peace.
We bought quite a few things as well, so I spent £80 on bath bombs, but that included some for my sister and a little box set that I'm going to get before Christmas. I also got this hat from someone who was making things while we were there, and it's so soft, it's so warm, it doesn't have any seams, so it feels super comfy, like it doesn't press on my earrings or anything, and I've been wearing it every day since. I also got two little hair bows. One is a Polar Express one and one is a Winnie the Pooh one. And we got this little Christmas tree with the chocolate orange inside. I've just received a order from one of my favourite creators. She's called Kelly Lou, and she makes stationery things and badges and things. Ordered a festive bundle. First of all, we have this postcard. This is actually just the thank you note. But I always keep these, they're really pretty, I love that one. It's stickers, it's planner stickers. Oh wow, there's quite a few here. So there's this sheet, this one, I love that tree. She does cute little faces on all of them. These are not planner sheets, these are the kind of ones that I stick on my sticker door. Oh, these are really cool, I love that Christmas jumper. And then a gingerbread sheet, that's really pretty. I really love this gingerbread print. This is a bookmark of the pink gingerbread. That's so nice. I'll put this with my Christmas books so I can use it over Christmas. This is a Nutcracker Christmas lanyard. I use lanyards for things like my rail card and my CEA card, which is a cinema one. So I can like swap it over for Christmas. £7 for 4 sticker sheets, a bookmark, a mini pin and a lanyard. That is so worth it, and it's cheered me right up. I've started building the Lego museum. I've done the first 3 bags. I've got an appointment with CMHT, which is the Community Mental Health Team, on Monday, which is for a medication change. And I always get nervous for these appointments because these are the appointments where they can say, actually, I think you need to go to hospital. Last night, this morning, I fell asleep at 7:30. My cat had a heart scan yesterday. So she's got like a shaved chest, but it came back. She has a very slightly enlarged heart, but the heart is working fine. And it's a normal heart for a cat of her age. She is 13. So that cost me quite a bit of money. It was £585, but if I didn't do the scan, I'd have constantly been thinking, is she okay? Is her heart okay? Should she be on medication? So I'm glad that I did it, and I'm glad that it all came back okay. My boyfriend picked these up for me. I've never had garden decorations before, like even as a child. So we saw these when we were shopping in the range once, and I thought they looked really cute. So he picked these up for me from his local range because they don't have them near me. And Dad's going to help me put them up at some point this weekend, hopefully. Oh, and I did manage to plug in one of my Christmas villages and put batteries in the other one. So I'll show you those now. We also put my boyfriend's Christmas tree up, so here's a picture of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the update of the last few days.